In this video I will tell you how to generate article in ChatGPT and check the plagiarism issues and then make money from them. So I am not taking your time, but if this is your first time in my channel, then like the video and subscribe my channel to watch videos about earning money by ChatGPT. To begin, sign up for an account on the ChatGPT tool using the link provided in the description. You can create an account on this website using your Google account. Once you have done this, return to the page and follow the steps below. Step 1. How to get blog topics in your niche. To find low competition keywords in your niche that you can rank on Google, you need to do some keyword research. The best free SEO tool to use for this is hsupertools.com. Create an account on this website and go to the SEO section. Click on the keyword research tool to find keywords. Enter your niche keyword, for example, affiliate marketing. Solve the Google CAPTCHA and click on search for keywords. Within a few seconds, this free tool provides you with a list of keywords, along with search volume, competition, and CPC information. Choose those keywords that have high search volume but low competition. For instance, the affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition. Choose this keyword and create an article around it using the chat tool. To do this, go to the website and search for provide blog topic titles. Then, add your niche keyword and press enter. Within a couple of seconds, this tool generates 10 different topic ideas related to your niche. Click on the Regenerate button to get more ideas. Step 2. How to get blog outlines. Select any one of the title ideas generated in Step 1 and search for Provide blog outline of this title in double quotes. Add your idea title and press enter. Within a few minutes, this tool automatically generates an outline of your idea. Step 3. How to get outline content. Copy the first blog outline and search for Provide the blog section of this outline. Paste the first outline and press enter. Chat tool automatically write the introduction of the article in a few seconds. Copy this content and create a new Word document file. Add a heading, for example, Introduction, bold it, and select this text to heading number 3. Then, search for Provide the blog section of this outline again. Scroll up and copy the second outline of the blog. Scroll down and paste this outline, then press enter. Wait for a few seconds and go to the Word document file. Add a second heading, for instance, Getting Started with Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Select this text, click on the button and choose text to heading number 3. Bold all headings. Then, go to the chat dashboard and copy the entire second outline content from the tool. Paste it into the Word document file. Repeat this step for all other headings to write a full blog article. Now that you have created a full blog with Chat, it's time to convert the article into a human-generated blog if you want to rank it on Google. Copy the content and go to google.com. Search for DupliChecker Article Rewriter and click on the first website. Scroll down and paste the content here. Solve the Google CAPTCHA and click on the Rewrite Article button. Within a few minutes, this tool automatically rewrites the article. Check whether the blog is human-generated or not. Click on Plagiarism button. Wait for a few seconds and see whether the article is 100% real, meaning you can rank this article on Google. Now copy the article and paste it on new document. Align the headings and select heading 3. Decoration it like resize the heading 14 and bold it. Now resize the text to 12. Now we have a human write article from AI ChatGPT. Now go to the medium.com site and create an account. It's totally free. To create a writer account on medium.com, start by going to the website and signing up for an account. This process is quick and easy. Once you have created an account, click on the right button to begin creating your blog post. Copy the title of your blog from your document and paste it into the title section on Medium. Next, copy the entire article from your document and paste it into the Medium editor. To add an image to your blog, click on the plus button in the editor and select an image from your computer or smartphone. Add all text and relevant keywords to the image. Click the Save button to add the image to your post. After you have finished writing your blog, click on the Publish button to make it live. To help readers understand what your story is about, add 5 relevant blog topics such as affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing business, affiliate marketing Amazon, marketing, and online business. To earn commissions from your blog, add multiple affiliate links throughout your post. Select the text you want to change it to link and then click on the link button. Add your affiliate link and then click on Save button. Remember to avoid plagiarism by using your own words and citing any sources you reference. Additionally, it's important to focus on creating quality content rather than just trying to make money quickly. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. Thank you for watching.